Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So today we have a treasure hunt. It is from KK's. So I am really excited to open this and share the review with you guys. So let's start this video, shall we? So as you can see here, today we have this diecast. It is part of track S, and in the number is 202 out of 250. It is a treasure hunt. Let me zoom it. The logo here, as you can see here, it is the treasure part of treasure hunt. Also yes, I think you guys are able to see the silver logo here also, and its name is Chevroletor. It is a fantasy casting, but it is a treasure hunt. Because of that reason I have bought this, and it is very good looking treasure with fantasy casting. As you can see here, I am really excited to open this and check it out. The blue spectra flame color and the white finishing here with the white wheels, it is actually very good looking diecast. So let's unbox this diecast. So here it is. The logo is here. Actually you can see here the silver logo, so that means it is a treasure hunt. Okay, let's just give me a minute. So here is the diecast. Wow, just wow. Just look at the number five logo is here also. The mark of this Chevroletor mark is also here. The cast is looking fabulous. As you can see here, it is a solid fantasy casting. I know it is a fantasy casting, not a licensed one, but still it is looking very great. And the spectra flame logo is here. Let me zoom it. I think now I think you guys are able to see it. So yes, this card is looking fantastic. If you want me to rate this car diecast, I will rate it around 7.5 to 8, because I don't rate this much fantasy casting, but it is obviously a treasure, and because of that reason I am rating this much. So yes, otherwise the blue spectra film color is and the white combination is looking very great. Because of that reason I am rating this car. And it is a metal body, as you can see here, and the chassis is plastic. So yes, it is a very good casting. Apart from that treasure hunt part, it is a normal fantasy casting. So I believe you guys also please check it out to your local shop. Maybe if you guys are lucky, you will get one of this diecast. So for now, this is a wrap up today's. Let me know what you feel and about this diecast, and also comment if you want to. So for today, it's a wrap up. Thumbs up.